Hey guys, if you're trying to make money online sometime, then you should know by now that traffic is one of the hardest part when it comes to getting results. If you don't have traffic, then you don't have a business. Traffic is the lifeblood to any kind of business that you do online or offline. Either you sell product as a creator or you sell product as an affiliate marketer. Now, there are a lot of traffic strategies out there like running ads on Facebook, running ads on Google, running ads in different kind of social media places. Now, it requires you so much learning. You need to split things out. You need to learn budgeting. You need to learn targeting. You need to test things out. You need to split test your landing pages, often pages, right? You need to work on your headline, your copywriting. There's so many things, guys, that you need to learn when it comes to getting results, using paid advertising or running ads in different kind of social media places. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the safest way as a complete beginner to drive traffic to any kind of product or offer that you wanted to promote as an affiliate marketer and make money and get great result without spending on ads and using only ChatGPT. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jrdigital.com. In this YouTube channel, I talk about make money online, affiliate marketing, tips and tricks, latest technology. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this. Now, product reviews is a great way to drive free traffic to whatever product or offer that you wanted to promote as a complete beginner. And I myself, guys, get great result doing product reviews. And if you're not doing product reviews right now, you're probably missing something here. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use ChatGPT to help us create product reviews from scratch, step by step. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive right into our video. Alright guys, now the first thing that you need to do, guys, is I want you to go to your favorite marketplace. It can be ClickBank, Digistore24, or whatever marketplace that you want to promote product. Now, if you're a complete beginner, and I really suggest you guys to get started with ClickBank. Now, inside of ClickBank, you can promote health and fitness, product, e-business, and e-marketing. There's so many niches right here, like self-help, home and decor, spirituality, cooking. There's so many niches inside of ClickBank. Now, for this video tutorial, or in this video tutorial, I'm going to be using ClickBank, or I'm going to be using this product or niche right here, which is health and fitness. And then there are many products right here that I can promote. For example, this AI Pillion. I'm not really sure what this product is all about, but this one has a high gravity score, which means this one is a great product or a good offer that you can promote. But before you promote this product, I want you guys to do a little bit of research. I want you guys to copy this product name right here and go to Google and just put that product name in the browser or in the search box right here and just hit enter. And once you've done that, guys, I want you guys to take a look at this ad right here. Now, this is the original creator of the product, which is this AI Pillion official store. So I want you guys to make sure that this company or the product they will be promoting is running ads on the search engine, because you'll be hijacking their traffic source or their traffic using product reviews. As you can see, there are a lot of people right here, like this person is doing this product reviews right here, this person is product reviews, this person is doing this product reviews on YouTube, and this proves that this method works and this method will get you great result. Right, so once you've identified that this company, guys, is running ads, I want you guys to use this product. Right, you can go back to your ClickBank account and then just copy again this name right here, and then I want you guys to open up ChatGPT. But before you get started using ChatGPT, I want you to install this Google Chrome extension right here. So copy this one. I'm gonna put a link down in the description of this video. So the name of this extension is AIPRM ChatGPT prompts. You can go to Google. I'm gonna be showing you how to do this. Just put that in a browser, and then or just click the link below the video. That way you can go directly into their official website. Alright guys, so this is that Chrome extension right here. All you have to do is add that as an extension inside of your Google Chrome account, but make sure that you log in into your ChatGPT account. Now once you install that as a Chrome extension, so this is where you access that. It will be automatically synced inside of your ChatGPT account, right? So I want you guys to go back to ClickBank and then just copy and paste. Let me just copy and paste this name right here, and I want you to go to ChatGPT, and I want you guys to use this. Now inside here there are multiple tools that you can use right here, like this keyword strategy, outrank articles, one click blog post, human written plagiarism, which is the one that we'll be using today. You can also use the smart detailed article writer, right? So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be using this human written plagiarism free SEO optimized content. Click on this one right here, and all you have to do guys is put that keyword or blog post title right here. Just put that word right here or the product name, and then at the end of the keyword, or at the end of the product name, just put in this keyword right here, which is review. Right, once you've done that, all you have to do is to click on send. Now this software will be automatically create your product reviews or create a review about this AI Pilihan or Alpilian. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this product, but ChatGPT will do the rest for you. It'll write you an SEO optimized content that you can use to drive free traffic into your product that you're trying to promote online. Alright guys, now as you can see guys, ChatGPT did a great job providing us this detailed review about this product right here, which is AL or AI Pilihan or Alpilian. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this, but ChatGPT again did a great job providing us this detail. They also provide us these ingredients of L Palayan, the benefits of L Palayan, the benefits or the potential side effects of L Palayan, and then how to take L Palayan. Final thoughts as well is provided in our content. Now we can now start monetizing this content and publish this content to whatever platform or blogging platform that you want. You can use WordPress, you can use System.io. Now, System.io is 100% free. I have a link below this video. If you wanted to use System.io, you can publish unlimited website instead of System.io without you having to pay for hosting and domain. But if you wanted to connect your own domain, you can also do that. As you can see, you can get started using the software for 100% free without any kind of monthly payment, and you can publish unlimited blog posts right here. So I'm gonna be using this as an example. If you wanted to use System.io, just like I said, I have a link below this video. Now I actually created a blog instead of System.io. Alright, so this is the blog that I created instead of System.io. But if you wanted to create a brand new blog, just click on create button. It will let you create a brand new blog for free. So this is the blog that I created, and I connect my domain right here, which is my main domain, jordigital.com. And I'm gonna be showing you guys how to publish your content inside of this blogging platform, right? So just click on post right here. So this is where you set your content right here by clicking on this great blog post right here. So this is where you copy and paste the title. So I'm gonna go back right here, and then I'm gonna copy this title right here, and then I'm gonna paste that one right here, and then short description. I can just post the I can just paste that again right here, and then I can put a cover or a featured image. So what I can do is I can go to images right here, and I can search image of this specific products. So let's say this one right here, I can just save this into my computer, and I click on save right here. But you can also create a featured image or thumbnail, something like this, inside of Canva for 100% free. So I'm gonna be using that downloaded image. I'm gonna click on image right here, and then choose the image right here. So this is the featured image right here, and then I can also select a category. You can create your custom category if you wanted to do that. So I'm just gonna click on create right here, and then your post will be automatically created. And now you can click on that post right here. So this is where you copy and paste all of your content, right? So this is where you put that content in right here. So as you can see, it automatically pull out the title and the image right here. And then what I can do now is I can add in a text right here, and then I can go back to ChatGPT, and then I can copy this one, and then I can paste that one right here, and then I can change the alignment of this into left align, something like this. I can duplicate this one right here, and I can add in this one. So I can adding a headline right here. I can paste that headline right here. Again, I can, align this to left right here, and then we can change the tag of this. We can highlight this text right here, and we can change this into H2 right here, and then we can go back to our ChatGPT account. We can again copy this one right here, and then paste that thing right here. Again, we can go back right here. We can copy these ingredients right here, and then we can basically just duplicate this thing right here and just bring it down, and then space that one right here, and then we can add in a bullet. So since this is a bullet point right here, so we can add in a bullet list right here. Just drag that bullet list right here and just copy and paste this bullet points right here. All right, so that's how you would set up your blog. And then the way to monetize this, guys, is by adding your affiliate link right here. So you can um go back to clickbank, and then go to your affiliate link right here, copy your link right here, and then you can go back right here, and you can highlight any of this text. Let's say this one right here. Just click on that link, and then copy and paste your affiliate link, and then click on save right here. And then every time someone clicks on this link right here, it will then automatically take them into the official website of the AL Pavilion, and if they purchase the product, you will get paid. And all you have to do, guys, is to keep doing this over and over again to whatever product or offer that you wanted to promote inside of Clickbank Marketplace, and make a passive income out of this, getting free organic traffic from Google or search engine. All right, and then you can now click on this view or eye icon right here to preview your content or to preview your blog. So this is a blog right here. So you have this blog right here, and this is only using ChatGPT, and you can now start getting results, driving free traffic into whatever product offer that you wanted to promote. And the best part about this, you can also grow your brand using this method. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is take action, start implementing the method, and start getting results. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.